Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Romola. This video is about getting used to Inkscape and using it to draft your patterns. I show you the many ways that you could use Inkscape for drafting patterns. First, I start drawing the outline of the pattern that I am wanting. You can't draft the pattern in one go. You got to plan the shapes and curves of the body, and thereafter you can tweak it to the shape and measurement of the body. I find it easy to draft my patterns using this method, and the end result was always perfect fit for my customers or myself. You only need the one basic block to create all your different patterns and styles. It is easier to work off your basic block. I will be posting videos using the basic block and manipulating it into other styles. Inkscape is almost similar to Illustrator, and besides, it's free. You can add seam allowances, you can save it as a PDF file, and you can also grade your patterns in Inkscape.